Hey everyone, welcome back to another Tech Hub Challenge solution. Today we're diving into an exciting AI challenge, building a custom AI FASB Codification Expert using OpenAI's GPT technology. Those of you who didn't have yet the Accounting 550, lucky you. This is going to be a great introduction for you to go through the different documentation that you'll need to get used to know for this class. And those of you who already had this class, it's okay. It's always good to know how to use this technology to leverage the knowledge that we already had from previous classes. So this AI will help accountants, auditors, and finance professionals and students interpret and apply any um, any FASB codification that you want to specialize in by providing codification-backed answers, such as SEC comment letters, insights, and real-world examples from 10K filings and Big Four guidance. If you've ever wanted to create your own AI-powered accounting expert, this is the perfect challenge for you. Let's get started. Okay, so I already created my own GPT expert in fair value hedges, as you can see here. I'll use this example to showcase how you can do to create your own GPT. So first of all, when you are when you are here, you want to create your own GPT. So you're going to explore GPTs, and then right here you have create, click on create, and this is where you can start creating your own GPT. So back to my FASB Fair Value Hedges Expert GPT. First of all, you can name your GPT the way you want. Make sure it's as clear as possible. And then in the instruction, the description, it's just going to say what does this GPT do. So here I'm saying it's a fair value hedges expert specialized in ASC 815-25, which is fair value hedges. So this AI helps users interpret and apply ASC 81525 for fair value hedges. It cites codification, analyzes SEC comment letters, extracts 10K disclosures, and incorporates Big Four guidance. Responses are structured, authoritative, and tailored for accountants and auditors. So, of course, the accuracy of this description depends on the accuracy of the SEC comment letters that you upload, the 10K that you upload, and the firm guides that you upload as well. Also, the FASB codification. If I want my AI to be specialized in fair value hedges, but I upload um, the codification on revenue recognition, obviously it's not going to be able to answer your questions. Next, you want to make sure that the instructions part is as clear as possible, just so that your AI can help you to the best of the instructions that you give. So let me make it bigger. Here you can see you are an expert in fair value hedges. Under the FASB codification, you provide structured codification-backed responses by. Now here, this is where you're going to say what this AI is supposed to do to help you to the best of what you need. So first of all, citing ASC 81525 paragraphs to explain hedge designation, effectiveness, assessment, and measurement. So this one is important just so that whatever the answers the AI is giving, it's going to quote straight from the FASB just so that you're sure, okay, this is what the FASB is actually saying. It's not just going to interpret, but literally telling you this is what it's saying. Then this is where we have more interpretation. It's going to analyze SEC comment letters to highlight common compliance issues, referencing 10K disclosures to illustrate real-world hedge accounting applications, and incorporating Big Four firm guidance to suggest best practices. So these three SEC common letters, 10K, and Big Four is just to help you receive the application of the quoted FASB codification in the first part. Then this part is just going to set the tone of the GPT. So always cite relevant paragraph when explaining concepts, summarize SEC comment letters, provide reward examples from 10K, offer best practice recommendation from Big Four, maintain a professional, authoritative, and structured tone in responses. You cross-reference multiple sources before generating an answer, ensuring clarity, accuracy, and compliance with hedge accounting standards. Meaning that if the AI doesn't have the accurate answer, it's going to tell you, I'm not, I don't have the answer according to the data knowledge that I have been provided. So please be more clear in what you're asking, something like this. So once you have your instructions, and by the way, for the description and the instruction, you can always use ChatGPT to help you generate more accurate, more distinct instructions and description, just to make sure your AI is very to the best. It's going to help you to the best of what you need, and you can always um, uh, make sure that the instructions are refined up to what you think is going to be the best. Now, let's go into the longer part, not especially the harder, is just very tedious. You want to make sure that the knowledge base, the knowledge data is complete. So let's go through how to get the FASB codification. So here I'm already inside the FASB codification. Once you find whatever codification you want to specialize the AI in. You just want to go in the lower page. You can see this print. Also, make sure that you are as um, detailed as possible. You don't want to just take uh, ASC 405. The AI is going to be specialized in liabilities. You want to be more specialized because it's just making sure that the AI has less data to process. And honestly, the less data it has, the more accurate it's going to be. That's why my AI is on broad transactions, derivatives, and hedging, then fair value hedges. I could have done it if I've done it to derivatives and hedging, and then I go here in show all in one page, it's gonna have a ton of pages to process before answering your question. It's just making longer answers and probably less accurate. It's not even loading the page. Anyway, so 8:15, 25, and then here you want to go show all in one page. And well, for some reason it's not loading. So once you have your codification, just print here, print, and then print again, and and then you can just save as a PDF. So this is how you can get your FASB codification PDF to upload in your GPT. Then you want to get comment letters, 10Ks, and firm guides. The comment letters and 10Ks, they go together because you want to make sure that the 10Ks and the comment letters are related. So when you go to the audit analytics, I'll provide the link in the description. You might need to log in. So create your own login. And once you are here, to make it easier, you can just, since mine is focused on ASC 815-25 in the search by keywords, just just type ASC 815-25 or whatever is your codification in quotes, inside quotes. And up here, just click the 10K. And once you have these two, just search, and then you'll have some common letters generated linked to the 10Ks. So what you're going to be is just click these link to have the common letters. So here I have, wait, let me do it again. Oh, this one. Okay, yeah. So this is going to be the page that you end up in. Just launch product here, login or create your own email and password. Then here you're going to put the codification in quotes, 10K, search. So once you have your generated uh, comment letters and companies, here you can see the companies, here you can see the comment letters. I'll show you one example. So you click on this one. So this one is giving you the comment letter. So this is going to be what you want to download. So this is an example of comment letters. This is an answer from the company to the SEC. So as you can see here, this is core. Core means correspondence. It means that the company answered the SEC a question that they had about ASC 815-25. And it's probably way before that they answered because this one, for example, you can see UPL and Core, but it's the same company. It means that UPL is the SEC who sent a comment letter to the company asking questions about ASC 815-25. And the core is the answer of the company to the NCC, to the SEC. And I recommend downloading the core because in the answers, you have the description of whatever is the matter, the discussions in this comment letter, answering the question of the SEC regarding this specific matter, ASC 815-25, 1 and 26, which is the same as what we want our AI to be experts to. So let's take actually this example. So yeah, okay, never mind. So once we have downloaded this comment letter, you just right click, print, and then just save as PDF, save. You go back and then you click on the company. Look at the 10K filing reference. This one is the 10K 2012 March 14. So that when you go here, so iGate Corp, and then you have the file date, you're going to look for 2012 0314. So this is going to be the 10K referenced in the comment letter that you want to download. So just click this one. And the first link is going to be the 10K. Click this one and same thing, right click, print, and save as PDF, save. So this is how you can get comment letters and 10Ks. Obviously, of course, the more, the better. You can go through the comment letters, skim through the comment letters to make sure that the matters, the discussion is as accurate as possible. Now, we have the FASB codification, the comment letters, the 10Ks. Now we just need one more thing, the firm guides. So for this one, very easy. You just type in Google fair value hedges firm guide. Well, I'll type AI because I mean EY because I didn't find EY. So you click this one and then you can find this. Just download this firm guide, download this firm guide. I've put these firm guides in the description in the solution example, just so that you can see how it is. But this is the Deloitte example, KPMG example. And yep, since I didn't find the EY, that's why I put EY after this. And this is what you're going to find 7.4 um, fair value hedges. This is the EY version. This one is another PwC fair value hedges firm guide. This one is this download here is going to bring you to the derivatives and hedging booklet. So it's not going to focus only on fair value hedges, but on derivatives and hedging in general. It's okay if you can find very specific, as long as the description in your instructions of the AI is specific enough. And this one is the EY. All right. So once you have, oh, KPMG. So once you have all your documents in your configuration, you just uh, upload all the files that you need. As you can see here, I have a decent amount of files, and then you can start asking questions to your AI to make sure that it's accurate. Um, Yep. So once you're done with the configuration of your AI and trying out some questions, you can. So this one is going to be create when you do it the first time. I have it update because it's already created. You can just create and it's gonna send you the link of your AI. Thank you very much for this Tech Hub video, for watching the video, and have fun.